Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So far I have finished the 2 units children. So let me revise the first unit, unit 7, our green friends. So one more time I will revise this unit. Listen carefully children. So in this lesson we learnt about the plants and trees. Plants also have life. They are living things. Plants and trees are living things. They breathe, they grow. They also need the food and water to survive. You know children? So, all the plants and trees are different from each other. They look all different only. If you see in the size, shape, color, fruits, flowers, they all looks different only. You know children? Some trees and plants grow on land like mango tree, orange, apple, pineapple, banana, ashoka. So these all the trees grow on land. Some trees grow in water also like lotus and water lily. They grow in water. Some trees we can see they grow on the mountain side also. Some plants grow in deserts also. You know children? They grow in desert like cactus. It's grow in the desert. Date palms. So according to their size, the plants are divided. Which plants are used tall and they have a strong trunk are called the trees like banana, ashoka, banyan. Those are comes in the trees only. Some plants are very small. They are called the shrub. Some are still smaller. They are closer to the ground. Those are called the bushes. What are they called? They call the bushes like a rose plant, coriander, spinach. They grow closer to the ground and the stem is very thin. Some plants take the support. They take the support like creeper. Creeper plant take the support of ground. It's grow on land like watermelon, pumpkin. They grow on land. They take the support of land. Some plants take the support of stick, trunk of trees and wall. Those are called the climber plants which climb, which take the support of wall and tree trunk like grapes, pea, then bitter gourd. So these plants take the support to grow. Some plants called the herbs also like mint, coriander. Children, those are called the herb plant. Medicinal plant we say no? Yes, they are called the herb plant. Some plants grow in the season only. Those are called the seasonal plant like wheat, rice. It's come in the seasonal plant only. Some plants are called the perennial plants like mango tree, then coconut, rose bush. They are called the perennials which live for long time. Again we no need of planting those plants, those trees. They live for long. That is called the perennial. Seasonal means what? One season is finished means we have to cut. Then we wait for the another season. Here children, plants also have the different parts. Plants also have the different parts. If you take the down part which grow below the ground, it's called a root. the fruits. Yeah, the children. Then trees have the numbers of branches, and then they have the green color leaves. Yes or no? Plant gives us numbers of things. What are the things they give us? Vegetable, fruits, medicines, herb, wood, crops, pulses. These all the things we get from the plants only. Plants brings rain. Trees give the shelter for animals and birds. Yes or no? They keep us, our environment clean and clear. They give us pure air, clean air. It gives us oxygen also, what we breathe. It comes from plants only. Yeah, the children? They give us shade and keep the place very cool. Some birds and animals, they depend on the plants for food and homes. Numbers of things we will made with the wood only, like table, chair, pencil, cupboard, sharpener, paper, basket, tabla, etc. These all the things we will made with the wood only. From where the wood comes? Wood comes from trees only. Yes, children. So these all the things we have discussed in this lesson. So here the first main is what, children? Name them. What is the first main here? Name them. So first is trees. What is that first? First is trees. Next one is shrubs. Then third one is bushes. Then fourth one is creepers. Creepers. And then fifth one is climber. Then sixth one is horse. Now we'll name it. Trees. Name them. Only two trees. Banyan and Ashoka. Or you can write down mango also, no problem. Mango. Next, shrubs. Lemon and hibiscus. Bushes, rose plant and coriander. Creeper. Creeper, tell me, children. Yes. Creeper is what? Grapes. Then tea. Next, climber, watermelon, and then tell me, climber. Sorry, children. So here I given the creeper, no? Creeper means what? Which grow on the land. So here what should come? Watermelon. Watermelon, and then one more is what here? grapes, grapes and gourds. Next is herb, mint and coriander. So first main is over. I will go to second main. After finish the first main, give the one line. Then write the second one. Answer the following. What are trees? What are trees? Tell me children, what are trees? Trees are big plants. What are trees? Trees are big plants and have many branches. Trees are big plants. Trees are big plants with strong trunks, with strong trunk and many branches and many branches. Okay children? Yes. Let me revise and I will go to next one. Name them. Trees. Name two trees. Banyan and mango. Shrubs. Lemon and hibiscus. Bushes. Rose plant. Coriander. Creeper. Watermelon and cucumber. Climber. Grapes and gourds. Herbs, mint and coriander. Answer the following. What are trees? Trees are big plants with strong trunks and many branches. Next, give three qualities of living things. Give three qualities of living things. Answer. Tell me children, three qualities. Living things need food and water. They grow. They breathe air. First one. Living things need food and water. Second one. They grow. Next, they breathe air. What is the answer? Living things need food and water. They grow. They breathe air. Next one, give three uses of plants. give three uses of plants. How the plants help you, children? What are the uses? Tell me. Yes, plant gives us. Yes, plant gives us food, then wood and medicines. Next, name 4 things you can make out of wood. Name 4 things you can make out with wood. So which are the things you will make out of wood, children? Yes. Tell me. Door, windows, then furniture, then roof of the house. Furniture and roof of the house. Give 3 qualities of living things. Living things need food and water. They grow. They breathe air. Give 3 uses of plants. Plants give us food, wood and medicines. Name 4 things you can make out with wood. Door, windows, furniture and roof of the house. Next one, tick the correct answer. Third में tick the correct answers. First one, wheat is a cereal. B, pulse. C, heart. Next one, pepper is a spice. B, herb. C. Now here we have to tick the correct one. Wheat is what, children, here? Cereal, pulse or herb. Pulse means what here? Dal you say, no? That is comes in the pulse. Herb, mint, coriander, neem, that is called the hot plant. And the cereal means what here? Crops. So which is the correct answer here? A1. Pepper is a spice, herb or cereal. Pepper means what? Kali mirch. You will use no miri. Yes, that is means what here? It is a masala. So in English we say it's a spice. Next one. Now fourth one. The rose plant is the rose plant is a bush, tree or creeper. Bush, tree or creeper. Next one. This is the third, no? Yes. This is the fourth. Cactus grow in the mountain, desert or seaside. Mountain, desert or seaside. Now tell me the correct answer, children. The rose plant it is a bush, tree or creeper. It's not a tree. Creeper means what? Which take the support, which grow on the land. It's a bush. Cactus grow in the mountain, desert or seaside. Yes, it is grow in the desert. Now last one. Circle the odd one out. Circle the odd one out. What is the first? Pepper, turmeric, chili, brinjal. Second one, capsicum, onion, cabbage and guava. Last one, neem, rose, coconut and teak. So children, here you have to circle the odd one out. See the first one, pepper, turmeric, chili and brinjal. So here pepper, turmeric and chili, it's a spices, and the brinjal is what here? Vegetable. So here which one is odd one? Odd one is brinjal. Second one, capsicum, onion, cabbage and guava. So here capsicum, onion and the cabbage are vegetable, and guava is what here? Fruit. So this is the odd one. Last one, neem, rose, coconut and tea. Neem, coconut and tea, it is a tree, and rose is what here? Rose in the one time and then send me in the app children. When you are copying from these all the things in the video, don't do the any spelling mistakes. Write correctly all first main, second main, third main and fourth main. Whatever I given, everything you have to copy down in the EVS notebook. Thank you children.